Ready to maximize your real estate business and be a superstar in 2024? Let's make this the year you reach your potential and show the world what you can do. Too many agents assume they can continue with BAU, but those agents will find it much harder to grow and succeed without the right tools tailored to accelerate success. Are you ready to level up? The time is now. And the ProPath 2024 Real Estate Success Builder program will get you there. This 3-course bundle was created to help you blow past your goals to generate income faster and easier. You'll learn how to optimize your time by working smarter, not harder. Continually improve your performance by setting clear objectives and SMART goals while measuring and refining your efforts for better results. Understand the most consequential real estate market insights of 2023 and how to adapt your business to excel through the uncertainty in 2024. When you choose to enhance your career with ProPath, you'll gain an insider advantage from the word go, thanks to our signature 3-tier mastery system. And we do it all through our best-in-class learning platform with plenty of video, audio, and learner support to keep you engaged. When you finish a program, show off your accomplishments with certificates of completion and badges for your social networks. Unlock your potential and set yourself up for success today with the 2024 Real Estate Success Builder program. Available only through ProPath by the CE Shop. Your path to prosperity.